it's me, Alegra. Dolls, I have here the Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar 2022, and so I figured we'd unbox it together today. I think that would be super fun. So this is called Charlotte Tilbury, Charlotte's Diamond Chest of Beauty Stars, and it comes in this beautiful box here. And so let's go ahead and just do an Advent Calendar unboxing. And yes! Oh, it's beautiful, guys. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is beautiful. Wow, this is a beautiful box. It's so shiny. Oh, you know what? I love this to keep as a decoration. So I do keep my packaging, you guys. But look at this. Oh my god. The knobs have actual stars and moons on them. Oh my god. This is stunning. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna put, maybe I can put my jewelry in here. I don't know, but this is beautiful. So let's see here. Now this did go for $200, and let me open it exactly with you guys. So here is the top, and you open it like a jewelry box. Oh, and then you can reuse this. Look and feel like a star. Wow. So you definitely can use this as, you know, some type of beauty box or jewelry box, because I'm gonna put something in there like makeup or jewelry. But there are no numbers. Are there numbers on the days? No, I don't think so. So you just go ahead and open as you want. So this is beautiful, you guys. This would make, well, this would be a very expensive gift, but let's see what's inside first. So I'm gonna go ahead and open day, well, there's no numbers, so we'll just open up this box right here. And this feels substantial, like it will really last and things like that. Like it's very durable, so you could definitely use this. So, and it's deep enough too that you can put your jewelry and things inside. So I'm definitely gonna reuse this box. Now here is the first one that I opened, the first drawer that we, you know, went into. And let's see what's inside here. This is, oh wow, Brow Fix. You know, a lot of this stuff I might have already because I have so much Charlotte Tilbury. I do have this and I love it. I actually used it today on my brows and I absolutely love it. So it's just a clear brow gel, and this is full size because this is the size of the one that I have, and I purchased the full size one. So I'm not exactly sure, was it $30 or $40, somewhere around there. So now here's the next drawer that we'll open. This is a little bit smaller in size. Let me see what, maybe it's, what is it? Oh, it's the, oh, I always wanted to try this. Okay, this I have not tried. So I'm really excited I can try this tonight. This is the Magic Serum from Charlotte Tilbury. So Charlotte's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. So this is definitely a deluxe size sample size, but it looks like you get a nice amount of product in there. So I can't wait to use that. And then here is the next drawer down. This one is wrapped, so let's unwrap it and see what it is. I like that some of them I guess are wrapped, the Elixir wasn't, so some are wrapped and some aren't. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this, a full-size beauty light wand. Wow. Okay, because I didn't watch the video because I wanted to be surprised, but I saw a thumbnail, a YouTube thumbnail, and they were saying that there were samples inside. So maybe I have to watch her video now that I've unboxed. I'm gonna unbox mine. But this is definitely not samples. This is definitely full size. I was disappointed. I was disappointed. I started thinking, is mine gonna be full of samples for $200? And you know, maybe that was just like a, what is it, like a clickbait type of thing, because this definitely is not samples. And this is the Spotlight color, which is the hottest, one of the hottest shades out there. So let me make sure. Yeah, it's like the more champagne color, which I'm so happy because I have both. I have another one that's more gold toned, and I prefer the champagne colored one. So I'm so happy because that's the color I like. So look how gorgeous it is. I'll just press it in, and it's just such an effortless glow to your skin. Do you guys love the Beauty Light one? It's beautiful. It melts in and just melts right into your skin. It's beautiful. So let's go ahead. Now I don't want to mess. Actually, I don't want to get the box dirty because it's so beautiful. So where were we? Right here, and then here is the next one over. This one is wrapped too. So much fun, guys. So it's so festive for the holidays. And so let's see what's in here. A beautiful tissue paper. Oh, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Glow Primer. I'm actually wearing this today. I love this so much. This is definitely a deluxe size sample that I'm going to put in my makeup bag, because this is a great size for your makeup bag and on the go type of deal. So let's see, now we'll get down to the third level here. So let's see what's in here. So I'm going to save this paper too. You guys know me, I save everything. So here is the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. So I don't think I've tried this. I tried a different Charlotte Tilbury mascara, but can't wait to try this. This packaging is so beautiful. It's the light pink, like a pastel pink, and then the gold, rose gold, beautiful. Oh my gosh. So I'll be back and we can try that out together. And then here is the other side right here. This is a lip oil. I've never tried this either, you guys. This is so much fun, because at first I was like, maybe I tried everything. No, I didn't try everything, because I never tried the lip oil. I never tried so much stuff that I'm unboxing today. I never tried so many of these. So this is really nice. It has a roller ball. Oh, it feels really nice on your lips. That feels so good, actually. Let me put some more. That feels so good. So that's beautiful. And another deluxe size sample, so you could definitely put that in your makeup bag as well. And it's perfect size for on the go, a mini travel size. So now here is down here. This is this little drawer right here. Let's see what's inside. This one is this is the Rock and Kohl Iconic Eye Pencil. Wow. Actually, I would love to put this on. I'm never gonna get to through the box, you guys, because I keep putting everything on. But I got to. Look at how beautiful that is. Wow. It just makes such a huge difference. And I had, not this shade, a different one, and I lost it. So I'm so glad that I got this one, because this is beautiful. This is a darker shade than the one that I had. This is called Barbarella Brown. Yeah, I didn't have this. A lot of times these are sold out in store, but because I did try to get this a few times and it's always sold out. But that is that. So creamy, absolutely stunning. You don't have to do, so a lot of times to get this kind of look, you'd have to pack shadow on top. You have to do a lot of work, but this pencil is doing it all for you. So that's amazing. It's so creamy, beautiful shade. It's very, very dark brown, but it's not black. So it's just a deep, deep brown. So what do you guys think? I love, that's another amazing one. That's good. That is so good. And then another one, these are all great too for fitting into your makeup bag. So let's go ahead and try, get into this day here, this drawer here. Also, here is a Color Chameleon Golden Quartz. It's like an eye pencil. Yes. Oh, look how big that is. Oh, and it's so creamy. This is beautiful. You can put this all over your eye, or you can also smudge this into the lower area. But I don't even need it now, because that other one was just beautiful. But you could also smudge that down there. Oh, these are good. And this is full size. So beautiful, you guys, beautiful. Wow. And there's still more. So I'm so glad that I unboxed this, guys, because like I said, I was a little bit apprehensive after I saw that title. I was like, whoa, I really didn't even want to unbox it after I was disappointed. The proof you can't believe everything you read. So here is another day, or another drawer, and this one is full-size lipstick. Oh, it's beautiful too. It's a beautiful color, because you know, so many times in the past, in, you know, mystery boxes or, you know, advent calendars, it seemed like they give you things that nobody wanted, like shades that nobody wanted. But these are all gorgeous shades, the shades that I definitely want to wear, and amazing. This one is called Catwalking. I don't have that one, so I'm so happy. Beautiful, beautiful shade. I can't wait to put that on. And then let's see here. So we're down over here on this drawer, just another layer to go. And then, oh no, so that was that day. So I'll go ahead, or that was that drawer. So here is this drawer here. Let's see what came. Oh my gosh, guys, a Lip Cheat lip pencil. Love these so much. And this is in the shade Hot Gossip. So another one that I'm very lucky because I don't have this one. So cannot wait to use that, guys. This is amazing. This is an amazing beauty box. I'm so happy. And then here is another day. Oh, what's this? Is this her magic cream? I hope this is the magic cream, because I had tried the magic cream a while ago and I loved it, and then I didn't. I wanted to try it again. I was gonna get a new one. I think this is the magic cream, you guys. So yeah, it's Charlotte's magic cream. and very large size. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then guys, we just have one more drawer to open, so let's go ahead and see what came in the store. I don't want it to end, guys. That was so amazing. Oh, let's see. Oh, so it's her Airbrush setting spray. So I've never tried, or have I tried this in store? But let me go ahead and put some on and see. Does it have it? Doesn't really have a scent, so that's really nice. The mister is really beautiful as well. Very nice mist, because so many of them shoot out at you and chunky and all kinds of weird stuff. So love that. I think, I don't know, it seems really nice. What do you guys think? So that is everything for my Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar unboxing today. I would say that this box really is worth the money, because now I would have to go through and add everything up, but there were full-size products in here. So I know the lipstick is full-size, and the eye kohl, or this eye product here, so many things here are full-size. And basically her products do go for about $40. So right here would be like $80. And then this is also full size. This is at least $40. You know, it basically is going to get your money's worth. And these are all products that I would love and want and need and love and lust for. And I'm definitely going to be repurposing this and putting either my jewelry, probably I'll put jewelry in here, because they're, you know, I don't want the makeup to get all over, you know how it is. So yeah, I'm gonna put jewelry in here. Beautiful box. It's actually, I don't think it's gonna show on camera how beautiful it is, but it has sparkled stars everywhere, so much detail to it. So I think this is an amazing advent calendar. I think it's definitely worth the money, especially if you have someone in your life that loves Charlotte Tilbury makeup and loves, you know, maybe luxury makeup. I think they would love this. If this is not for yourself, if it's for a gift, I think they would love it. So thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar unboxing. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this box. Would you pick it up? Let me know down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and also give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. It helps me out so much. So thank you beauties so much again. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.